So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get USA pounds or euros bank account, which you can be able to use to receive your payments worldwide, anytime, anywhere that you want. So today I'm going to be using a website called Gray. I'll be leaving the link to the website in the video description. You should go ahead and then use it to sign up for your account. You can either use the application to sign up, or you can use the web version to sign up. But for this video, I'll be using the web version since I already have an account login on the application. So once you're on the home page over here, you should click on the get started button over here, and then it will take you to another page for you to continue with your registration. On this page, you will be asked of the country that you live in. You need to provide the right answer over here, because in a certain step you'll be asked of your ID or your passport to verify your account before you can be able to use it well. So while here I'm living in Ghana, so I'm going to be selecting Ghana as my residential country. So after selecting it, click on the continue button over here, and then they will say you should confirm you have a valid ID card for Ghana. So when you have a valid ID card for Ghana, you should go ahead and then click on the proceed button and then proceed to the next step. This next step, you'll be asked of your first name, your middle name, and then your surname. You should enter it at exactly how it is on the Ghana card. If it is in capital letters, make sure the one that you type over here, it is also in capital letters. And then your gender, you should make sure you're choosing the right gender. If you are male, you choose male. If you are female, you choose female as your gender. And then over here, you enter your phone number and then the referral code, which I'll be leaving in the video description for you to use as a thank you. So I'll be filling up these fields real quick and then get back to you. So I am done filling up all the fields. All that I have to do next is to click on the continue button at the bottom over here and then proceed to the next step, which is the step 3, where you have to input your password and then agree to the terms and then the conditions of the website or the Gray. So you need to make sure you enter a very strong password, of course, so that no one can be able to hack into your account. So I will do that real quick and then get back to you guys. Done with your password, you click on the continue button and then you verify your account with the OTP sent to your email address, which you provided in the step 2. So all that you have to do is to wait for the email, or go to your Gmail application or your Yahoo or whatever email address that you use, and then get the verification code. So over here, they're asking us a little question about what we are going to use the account for. So you can choose anything over here. It won't affect your account in any way. So I'll be choosing, and then when you are done, you are going to click on the continue button and then it will finish with your registration. So once you are done, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So over here, you'll be asked to verify your Gray account with your ID card. So that step is not that hard, so I'm not going to include it in this video. All that you just have to do is to click on this begin verification over here, and then your account will be fully registered and then ready to receive payment in the United States, which is the dollars, the pounds, and then the euro. So that is it. Make sure to check the video description for the link and then the referral code to this website, and then also like the video if you found it helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification bell to all to receive videos each and every single time I post.